Hey guys, Kyle Kelly from Kelly's Port, and I wanted to walk you through a new innovation with the team at Bennington that we've all struggled with. It's getting our fenders on our boat properly. They've come out with a new Fender Clip System, and I wanted to propose this for you guys while you have your boat here for service. If you would like, reach out to our service department and quickly and easily we can install this. Pretty easy system. Everything's already locked for the proper length that you need right in your rub rail. Lift up on the top of the clip, and you're done. No more tying, no more looping, any of this stuff, and then to put it back on, pretty quick and easy as well. Locked into place. Beauty of it, it's all plastic. You're not going to damage anything here up and down. The Fender's going to be doing its job. It's protecting your vessel. This is available for all Benningtons sold. We'd be happy to install it while we've got the boat here for service. So reach out to the service team here at Kelly's Port. We'd be happy to take care of you. Thank you for the opportunity to earn your business.